As more seek affordable yet high-quality gear, the demand for auto-darkening welding helmets under $200 is rising. These helmets offer advanced optical clarity, quick shade adjustments, and superior comfort without breaking the bank. In this list number, the Hobart 770890 auto-darkening welding helmet is an excellent choice for welders looking for a budget-friendly yet high-performing helmet. It features a large viewing area, providing superior visibility and reducing neck strain by allowing you to maintain a clear line of sight while working. Equipped with an auto-darkening lens, this helmet reacts quickly to light changes, ensuring eye safety and reducing fatigue. It offers multiple shade settings, making it versatile for various welding applications. The lightweight yet durable construction makes it comfortable for extended use, and the adjustable headgear ensures a secure fit, whether you're a hobbyist. List 2. The Lincoln Electric K34-4 Viking 3350 stands out for its exceptional clarity and premium build quality, even at under $200. It features a large 12.5 square inch viewing area with 1111 optical clarity, offering the true color view of your work area. Its auto-darkening lens ensures fast switching speeds, minimizing eye strain and providing consistent protection. The helmet also includes adjustable sensitivity and delay controls, making it suitable for a variety of welding types. Comfort is a key feature, thanks to its lightweight design and padded headgear. Despite its professional-grade features, this model offers excellent. List number. The Jackson Safety Insight ADF welding helmet is known for its ultra-lightweight design, reducing neck fatigue during long welding sessions. It features a high-quality auto-darkening filter with variable shades from 9 to 13, ensuring adaptability for different welding projects. Its wide viewing area provides excellent visibility, while its fast lens reaction time offers reliable eye protection. The helmet also boasts sensitivity and delay adjustments for precision work. With its comfortable fit and durable construction, it's a great choice for welders seeking both performance and comfort at a budget-friendly price. The Jackson Safety Insight is especially. List 4. Repeat product included as requested, but description kept unique. The Hobart 77890 reappears in this list due to its popularity in the affordable welding gear category. Its large lens size ensures better visibility, and its dependable auto-darkening response keeps welders safe from sudden light exposure. Built for everyday use, it combines a durable shell with user-friendly adjustments, allowing welders to switch between grinding and welding modes with ease. Its lightweight and ergonomic design ensure comfort during extended tasks, while the versatile. List 5. The ARCCAPTAIN auto-darkening welding helmet offers top-tier optical clarity with its 1111 rating, ensuring true color viewing and precise detail visibility. Equipped with 4 arc sensors, it provides superior detection and fast reaction times, protecting eyes from flashes and sparks. The helmet features a wide shade range, adjustable sensitivity, and delay settings, making it versatile for MIG, TIG, and stick welding. Its lightweight design and cushioned headgear enhance comfort, while the durable build ensures longevity. Considering its